How to change tab size in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings and here again tap on settings. Now we are in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different tools and options. Now slowly scroll down. Scroll down until you find the option called tabs. So it is right here. So this is the place where you can easily change the number. Here enter the number that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on 1 and as you can see after some time it will be completely changed. Here on the top you'll be able to find difference in your tab and later simply go back and it's all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.